Two major things which affect our decision making are scarcity and urgency. You must have noticed the limited time deals, limited time offer, limited stock. So what are they trying to do? They are trying to trick us by telling that this product is only there for some limited options or for some number of people. Our tendency is to run behind that product and buy it so that we don't lose the opportunity, lose the chance. Similarly, this happens when someone tells us about the urgency part. The offer will end tonight at 12 o'clock. You only have 3 hours for this deal. And we run away. We run to buy those products and services like anything. This is what scarcity and urgency mean. And I'm definitely sure you would have seen a lot of courses, a lot of products, big billion sales and summer sales where they talk about that these limited products will be sold only for a limited amount of time. So they are doing both of it, scarcity plus the urgency. And this impacts our decision making really a lot. So be mindful before falling into this prey. We will talk about this in detail in the next videos on how to overcome this, but just for you to understand what exactly is scarcity and urgency, I have made this video.